Hello kids, it's me, your Tahseen ma'am. Welcome back. I hope you have enjoyed your holidays and also I think you all are safe at home. Listen to your parents carefully what they say, please do follow. As you all remember, we have finished already 3 lessons. Those were the Poonam's Day Out was lesson number 1, first lesson. We have learned about the animals in that lesson, and the second lesson was the plant's fairy, and third lesson was water or water. And our fourth lesson is our first school. As you all remember, we have already studied what is a family and types of family. In types of family, we only studied about the nuclear family. So my dear kids, today I'll recall all those things again and then we will go forward. So let's start now. As you all remember, our first school is our home. That is our family. We learn many things from our family. What is a family? The members who live with us in a same house are called the family members. They make up a family. The people who live with us in our houses are our family members. Remember, the people. That may be your father, mother, sister, siblings, like sister, brother. Own sister and brothers are known as siblings. And uncle, aunties, children are known as cousins. Okay. Your siblings or your cousins, your parents, your uncle, aunt, your grandparents, whoever it may be. The people who live in a same house, in our house, are our family members. These are our family members, and they make up a family. A father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, cousin, and grandparents make up a family. I hope this you remember. It was held in the last class. We were just having a look on types of family. Especially, we studied about nuclear family. What is nuclear family? किसी को याद है? Let me give a recall. So we already understood what is a family. The people who live in the same house or in our house are our family members. They make up a family. And types of family. Mainly we can see 2 types of family. First one is nuclear family. What is a nuclear family? As you know, family may be big or small. In which father, mother, and their children live together in a same house are known as nuclear family. याद रखिए बच्चों. Remember, once again I'll repeat my words. Family may be big or small. A family in which mother, father, and their children live together is known as a nuclear family. सिर्फ parent and their children live together. No grandparents, no uncle, aunt should live in the same house. That family is called as nuclear family. Do you know even nuclear family is divided into 2 types? Again, small nuclear family and big nuclear family. What is it? What is a small nuclear family and what is a big nuclear family? Let me clarify you. A small nuclear family means a nuclear family can be small or big. A small nuclear family is the one that has, along with the parents, 1 or 2 kids. That may be girl or boy, doesn't matter. स्मॉल न्यूक्लियर फैमिली वो होती है जिसमें पेरेंट 1 या 2 बच्चे हो, ना कि उससे ज़्यादा. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज स्मॉल न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. नाउ आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट इज स्मॉल न्यूक्लियर फैमिली. स्मॉल न्यूक्लियर फैमिली इज पेरेंट along with them 1 or 2 kids, 1 या 2 बच्चे. In case in case it's more than two children. यहाँ पे देखिए एक छोटा बेबी है. Can you see this? Parents 1 2 3. More than two kids, more than two children, this family is known as a big nuclear family. Maybe not only two kids, it may be 4 5 6, any number, but along with the parents only their own kids should be at home. So this is called big nuclear family. I hope you all remember this. Before we go to the joint family, clear what is a family? The people who live in our houses with us are our family members. They make up a family. It might be father, mother, their children, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins. Then, types of family. We mainly classify the families into two types, that is nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family, what is the meaning of nuclear family? Nuclear family is nothing but a family in which mother, father, their children live together is called nuclear family. Even we classify the nuclear family into two types, that is small and a big. Small and big nuclear family. What is a small big nuclear family? Small nuclear family is nothing but along with the parents one or two kids live together is known as small nuclear family. If more than two kids, that comes under big nuclear family. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि 3 रहे, 4 5 कितने भी बच्चे हो सकते हैं, लेकिन मम्मी पापा के साथ सिर्फ बच्चे रह रहे हैं उनके, that is called nuclear family. I hope you understood. One more point I would like to tell you. Some children unfortunately lose their parents because of some reason, so they are adopted by other people. These people are called foster parents of the children, and the children are called adopted children, and the children are called adopted children. Adopted. याद रखिए बच्चों, कुछ बच्चे अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनके माँ बाप से दूर हो जाते हैं या उनके माँ बाप के साथ नहीं रह सकते. जिनके माँ बाप नहीं होते हैं उन बच्चों को, जिनके पास बच्चे नहीं होते हैं या उनको दूसरे बच्चों को रखना अच्छा लगता है, वो उनको गोद ले सकते हैं. उनको अडॉप्टेड चिल्ड्रन कहते हैं. और जो गोद लेते हैं, जो उनके मम्मी पापा बनते हैं, उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? फोस्टर पेरेंट. उनको हम फोस्टर पेरेंट कहते हैं. हमारे मम्मी पापा को हम सिर्फ पेरेंट्स कहते हैं. जो अडॉप्टेड चिल्ड्रन मतलब दूसरों के बच्चों को खुद रखते हैं, खुद लेते हैं, लीगली अडॉप्ट करते हैं, वैसे बच्चे को अडॉप्टेड चाइल्ड या अडॉप्टेड चिल्ड्रन कहते हैं. और जो उनको गोद लेता है उनको हम कहते हैं फोस्टर पेरेंट. आई होप दिस टॉपिक इज़ क्लियर फॉर यू. टुमारो वी विल लर्न अबाउट द जॉइंट फैमिली. And one more special thing, children, I gave you homework and I requested you, if you need the scrapbook video, you can message. None of you asked living Shubhashri, so today I will upload the video on the request of Shubhashri Dev.